In this video, we're going to demonstrate some of the functionality of the amortization worksheet on the VA2 Plus. So let's suppose we're paying back a $150,000 loan with level monthly payments at the end of each month over the course of 15 years. Let's say we have a 12% interest rate convertible monthly. We're being asked here to compute what's the remaining balance after the 60th payment, and what's the totality of principal and interest included in those 60 payments. We can answer all of these questions by simply looking at the amortization worksheet on the VA2 Plus. Alright, so the first thing we're going to use is our time value of money functionality of the calculator to get our monthly payment. So we're borrowing $150,000. So I'll just go ahead and make that negative. So put that in for our present value. We've got a monthly interest rate of 1% because we're told that the interest rate is 12% annually but convertible monthly. There's 180 total payments over the course of 15 years. And our future value here will set to 0. I already cleared out the time value of money buttons before I started, but it's always to be safe, I could put a 0 in there. And let's go ahead and compute the payment. And we see that our payment is $1,800.25, roughly. So now, once we've got all that stuff computed, we can go into the amortization worksheet. So we enter the amortization worksheet by doing second and amort here, right above the present value button. So here we need to enter where our the starting payment is and the ending payment is. So that's what the P1 and the P2 here are. This one already has some values in here. This is a worksheet, so I can do second clear work, and it'll clear everything out. The default here is to start at payment 1. And if I want to, I can type in payment 1 as well. We want the balance after the 60th payment and the totality of the principal and interest paid in those 60 payments. So I want to go from payment 1 to payment 60. So I will put in 60 here for P2. So I'll type in 60 and hit enter. And we will now scroll down. This tells us what the balance is after the 60th payment, which is a little over $125,000. Scroll down again. It will tell us the amount of principal included in those 60 payments, which is $24,521. Scroll down again. It will tell us the amount of interest that we've paid over those 60 payments, which is $83,493.64. And we can check that those numbers make sense because we know what the total amount of payments we've made. We know that we're making payments here of $1,800.25 roughly, and we've made 60 payments. The totality of that is $108,015. If you take the $24,521.49 and add $83,493.64, I get a little bit of rounding error, but I get the $108,015. Now the rounding, of course, is coming from the fact that we rounded here for the payment. And these have not been rounded because it's assuming that particular payment. But we can see that really would have split up our payment amounts into those two values.